Assalamualaikum students, hope you all will be fine. Today we solve example. We have a value cube root 343 divided by cube root minus 343. Now we factorize 343. We have 7 4s are 28, 6 carry 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. It means that the factors of 343 we have 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. And the factors of minus 343 we have minus 7 multiplied by minus 7 multiplied by minus 7. We take minus 1 as common, and now we have 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. We have cube of 7, so we write in the cube, and minus 7 in cube. Now cube cut with cube root, we have 7 divided by minus 7, and 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, we get minus 1. It means that cube root 343 divided by minus cube root minus 343 we have minus 1. Now take the product of two integers such as minus 125 and 3375. Now we factorize minus 125, we have minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 5. Similarly we factorize 3375. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 2 carry, 3 7s are 21, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15. Then again it is divisible by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15. Now we have 125, it is divisible by 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So the factors of minus 125 we have minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 multiplied by minus 5, and the factors of 3375 we have 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. It means that we have minus 5 cube multiplied by 3 cube multiplied by 5 cube. So we take cube root on the both side, cube root cut with cube, and we have minus 5 and 15. It means that cube root of minus 125 we have minus 5, and the cube root of 3375 we have 15. So it is proved that similar result can be verified by taking any two integers. Thus we include that if m and n are any two integers, then cube root mn is equal to cube root m multiplied by cube root n. It means that the result will be similar. Next example we have, find the cube of 27 multiplied by minus 2744. We factorize minus 27. We take minus as common, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is multiplied by, we factorize 2744, we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7, and then we have 3 cube multiplied by 2 cube multiplied by 7 cube. We take cube root 3 cube multiplied by 7 cube, and we have minus as common, then 2 multiplied by. Now we combine the cube of 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. We have 42 by multiplication of 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7, and 42 cube cut with cube root we have minus 42. Cube root of rational number. If p by q is a rational number, then p by q cube is equal to p cube by q cube. For example, we have p by q 2 by 3, and the cube of 2 by 3 we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. It means that we write as 2 cube divided by 3 cube. Now 2 by 3 cube is equal to 8 by 27, and the cube root of 8 by 27 we have 2 by 3. In general, if x is a rational number such that variable x cube is equal to a, then x is cube root of a. It can be easily verified. Cube root minus 125 divided by 128 is equal to minus cube root 125 by cube root 128. Similar, we have cube root 27 by 64 is equal to cube root of 27 divided by cube root of 64. Therefore, we arrive at the conclusion that if p and q are any two integers, q is not equal to 0, then we have cube root p by q is equal to cube root p divided by cube root q. Now we have example minus 27 divided by 1331. So we take cube and the factors of minus 27 we have minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 divided by the factors of 1331 we have 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11. Now we take cube root minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 divided by cube root of 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11. Then we take cube of numerator as well as denominator combine, and then cube root cut with cube we have 3 by 11. It means that cube root minus 27 divided by 1331 is equal to. Now we have question number 7. The volume of a cube is 0.064 meter cube. Find the length of each edge. Volume of a cubical box we have 0.064 meter cube. Length of each edge by taking cube root we have 0.064 meter. We remove a decimal. In the place of decimal we write 1, and then there are 3 digits we have. Now we put 3 zeros. We have 64 by 1000 meter. Now we factorize 64. We have 2, 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry 2, 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. And the factorization of 1000 we have 2 5s are 10, 0 zeros, and then 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, and 0 bring down, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. Then we have 125, which is divisible by 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, then 5 1s are 5. So we have a factors of 64, 2 multiplied by 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 2, and the factors of 1000 we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. It means that we have 2 cube multiplied by 2 cube, and the factors of 1000 we have 2 cube multiplied by 5 cube. Now we take cube root, so we combine the cube of the both 2 and 5. Now we cut the cube with cube root. We have 2 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 5. So we have 4 divided by 10 meter. Now we divided 4 by 10. We have 0.4 meter. It means that the length of edge is equal to 0.4 meter. Question number 10. Find the values of the following. We have cube root minus 125 divided by cube root 64 multiplied by cube root 27. Firstly, we factorize minus 125, 64 and 27. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and then 3 1s are 3, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. And the factorization of 64 we have 4 1s are 4, 2 carry, 4 6 are 24, 4 4s are 16, and 4 1s are 4. So we take minus 1 as common, and we have 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 divided by the factorization of 64 we have 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, and the factorization of 27 we have 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and we write cube root as 1 by 3 because the cube root is equal to 1 by 3. So we have minus 1 multiplied by 5 power 3 or 5 cube divided by 4 cube multiplied by 1 by 3, which is cube root, and then 3 cube multiplied by 1 by 3, which is equal to cube root. So we have 4 multiplied by 3, and then minus 1 multiplied by 5, 3 multiply 1 by 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 3, we have minus 1 multiplied by 5 divided by 4 multiplied by 3. So 5 1s are 5, and we have plus minus minus divided by 4 multiplied by 3. when we change divide into multiply, we reciprocal the value, and the reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. So we have 5 multiplied by 1 by 4 multiplied by 3. Now we multiply the values. 5 1s are 5 and then divided by 4 multiplied by 3. 5 3s are 15 divided by 4. It means we have minus 15 divided by 4. Then we divide 15 by 4. We have 4 3s are 12 and subtract 12 from 15. We get 3 and we write as minus 3 by 4. It means that cube root minus 125 divided by cube root 64 multiplied by cube root 24 is equal to minus 3 by 4. The next question we have cube root 1331 multiplied by cube root 8 multiplied by cube root 1000. We factorize 1331, 8 and 1000. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22 and then 1 carry, and 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11, 1 carry, 11 1s are 11, then 11 1s are 11. We have triplet of 11. Similarly, factorization of 1000, we factorize by 10, 10 1s are 10 and the zeros are bring down, 10 1s are 10, 10 1s are 10. We have cube of 10, and the factorization of 8, we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. It means we have cube root 11 cube multiplied by cube root 2 cube multiplied by cube root 10 cube. Cube root cut with cube, we have 11 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10. 11 2s are 22 and then multiplied by 10 we have 220. It means that cube root 1331 multiplied by cube root 8 multiplied by cube root 1000 is equal to 220. The next question we have cube root 1728 divided by cube root 125 and then multiplied by cube root 1000 divided by cube root 64. We factorize 1728. 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Last number are the even number, so it is divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12. Now it is divisible by 2, 2 1s are 2, but the 1 is less than 2, so we take 1 and 6 both, so we have 16 and we put 0 because we take two values at the same time. So we have 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. Then again it is divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14. We have 27. It is divisible by 3, 3 9s are 27 and 3
4 6
3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Factorization of 64, we have 4 1s are 4, 2 carry, 4 4s are 16 and then 4 1s are 4. Factorization of 1000, we have 10 1s are 10, zeros are bring down, then 10 1s are 10, 1 0 bring down and then 10 1s are 10. So we have 2 multiplied by 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 2, then 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 divided by cube root 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by the next bracket. We have cube root 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 divided by cube root 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. We have cube on 2, 2 and then 3 which is cut with cube root. Similarly 5 cube cut with cube root, 10 cube cut with cube root divided by 4 cube cut with cube root. We have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 5, and in the other bracket multiply we have 10 divided by 4. So we have 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 divided by 5 multiplied by 10 divided by 4. We change divide into multiply and 5 will be reciprocal, so we have 1 by 5. Similarly the reciprocal of 4 we have 1 by 4, so 12 multiply 1 by 5 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 4. So 5 cut with 10 we have 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 4 cut with 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now we have 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and then 6 1s are 6. It means that cube root 1728 divided by cube root 125 multiplied by cube root 1000 divided by cube root 64 is equal to 6. Next question we have, if the length of one side of a cube measures 11 centimeter, what is the volume of the cube? One side of a cube we have 11 centimeter. Volume of a cube means cube of a side. So one side is equal to 11 centimeter. So we take cube of 11 because volume is equal to a cube. A means we have a value or side. So side we have 11 centimeter. So the cube of 11 centimeter means 11 centimeter multiplied by 11 centimeter multiplied by 11 centimeter. 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11, we get 1331 centimeter cube. So the volume of cube is 1331 centimeter cube. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.